Hello guys, how are you everyone? So welcome one and all. I am Pavan Joshi, your trainer and mentor, and today's session I'll be handling by me. Yes, if you're joined today for live trading session, guys, to tell you to trade live basis is a way different feeling, right? To understand everything on a theory basis, but coming back to something and doing practically, learning practically, doing to do practically, and that is a long way to go. Are you all excited? I am very much excited. If you're able to see me, type video in the chat box. If you're able to hear me, type audio in the chat box so that I know that most of you are able to see me and hear me. Yes, video, audio, yes. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the confirmation. So are you all excited? Are you all excited for today's session? Yes, I am very much excited, and we are just maybe 10 more minutes for the start of today's trading session. Okay, great. So yesterday what we learned is all about a wonderful intraday strategy, how to do use the intraday strategy, how to shortlist my stock, how to trade, when to enter, what is future, what is option, what is call option, what is put option. Let me ask you one question. Let's see what you want to answer. I think market is going to go up. Then what kind of option should I buy? If I'm thinking that market is going to go up, what kind of option should I buy? Call option, call option, call option, call option. Perfect. So you are here with me. Yes. So whatever I've taught to you yesterday, you remember. So that is why I've got just a confirmation. So what we are doing today, we are doing a live trading in live market with me. If you have your account ready, please do trade with me. Yes, of course, intraday trades comes with the risk to reward as well. If you can take risk, you can take a risk. If you do not want to take any risk, just keep watching. No problem, because there is a lot to learn on live markets, right? So a lot to learn in live markets. So 4 days of trading program. So day one, we covered about fundamental stone. You learned about all the fundamental analysis. Day two, you learned about a wonderful intraday strategy yesterday. Today in the live trading session, I am going to use the same strategy which I taught you yesterday. The same strategy which I taught you yesterday, we will be using the same strategy to trade today in live markets, identify some of the trades in index, identify some of the trades in stocks, and do our trading. Most of you would have got the access to the software, access to the tool to use it yourself. Whoever have filled the Google form yesterday, which was sent to your WhatsApp number, only the access has been given to the current webinar registrations. Most of the people have also joined from previous webinars as well. We welcome previous webinar attendees as well, so that they give them gist of trading again. But the tool access has been given only to the people who have attended for the current webinar. So if you have filled your Google form yesterday, which was sent, the link was sent to your WhatsApp number, you would have got the access. If you would have got the access, then how do I access the tool? How do I access the tool? So open your trading view terminal. So let me show you once how to do it. Open your trading view terminal like this. Can somebody confirm me that you're able to see my screen? Yes. Okay, great. Now, if I have to, I do not have any tool right now. So I have to add a tool now. What I do, I go to indicators, I click on indicators, then I go to invite only scripts. So this option will come to only the people who have filled the Google form yesterday, where we have given the access to them. Only they will be able to access this tool. So click on TTM power range, automatically this will come. So the beauty of power zone is it doesn't change. It remains as it is. Any day you go and see, it doesn't change. Breakdown, we go short. Breakout of the power zone, we go long. That is the beauty of it. I've given you the access who have filled yesterday, who are part of the current webinar. Go and do the testing, go and do impact testing. So today we are going to use the same tool, same strategy to trade in live markets. And I want to show you that, yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible to do it. Anything which we can earn on a daily basis. Ping in your chat box, guys, how much you want to earn today? How much you want to earn? 300, 500, 100, 500, 1,000, 1,000. Let me see. Let me see the Josh, guys. Let me see the excitement. Are you really excited? Yes, sir. 1,800, 500, 1,000, 10,000, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, 20,000, 500, 2,500, 5,000, 1,000, 3,000. Guys, great. Anything you earn apart from your salary, if I'm able to earn something else from the market, that's always beneficial, right? It's always beneficial. I can do my kids' education. It will help my EMIs, car EMIs, loans, house loans, insurance plans, anything. Most of the people struggle at the month end that I do not have enough cash with me, right? So if you do not want to be in that trap, then you have to learn something. I'm not saying only stock market is a place. Any skill, guys, any skill which you can adapt yourself, learn yourself and master in that and earn an extra income, yes, it is possible. Even I am doing that. Apart from my income, whatever the best I can do, I can open one more trading account. I can trade in my account. I can do a long-term trade. I can do a short-term trade. I can open one more business. I want something secondary income apart from my salary. Okay, coming back to the chart. So I'm opening some of the charts now. So let's open Bank Nifty and Nifty as well. So I'm opening, I right click on the tab at the browser and duplicate. I can duplicate the tabs and I'm opening Bank Nifty in one section, Bank Nifty in one section and Nifty in one section. So Bank Nifty in this tab. Let me open a Bank Nifty in this tab. Okay, let's see. This is how the Bank Nifty looks like. Next, I'm opening in one more tab. I'm opening Nifty. I'm opening Nifty in one more tab. Okay, Nifty is open. Bank Nifty is open. Then here, some of the stocks I want to see. So I have a big list of watch list here. All the list of stocks I do have. Pavan, I also want to know the list of stocks to trade. Just go to NSE stock list. NSE stock list. You get list of all the stocks which are in market. So the list of NSE stocks. I'm giving this link to you guys. I'm giving this link to you so that you can go and find your list of stocks. So you can click on this link. You'll get all the list of stocks. Later, you can add to your watch list. Okay, I'm pinging to everybody here. Guys, at any point of time you have any questions, please do put in the Q&A section or chat box so that we can help you. So how about for the people who have lost jobs? Yes, definitely we know. Try with virtual trading first, 15 days, 20 days, 3 months, 6 months. See your consistency, then you can consistently make this as an initial source of income, as the main source of income as well. Okay, so so I've given the list of stocks to trade. So I'm closing this now. So I've also given you 2 scanners yesterday. What is that? Open low equal to same. Open low equal to same is a scanner where if the market is bullish, means market is going up, I'm going to use open equal to low scanner to find the stocks. Open equal to high scanner is when market is bearish. Let's see what market is saying today. Let's go to global markets. Global markets. So this is where you see the global markets. This is where I see the global markets. See, global markets are saying here, US markets is 0.3% down, it's flat. European markets are good. SGX Nifty means indication how our market may open. It's the Nifty traded in Singapore. All markets are saying flat basis. There is no enough positive nor negative. So any side we can trade today, how the market moves. Is it clear, guys? And do note that today's session is all about live trading, and in live trading, in live market moves fast and it will not wait for us. So usually I take a trade and then explain you why the trade has been taken. I do my analysis and show you as well in the live market. But in case you're not able to catch it, watch it cautiously. Take a paper and pen, note down everything what I'm trying to say to it. So live trading session, the main concept you should know is risk management. I told multiple times, 1 to 2% of your capital has to be risk, not more than that. If my capital is 50,000 rupees, I can take a risk of 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. Maximum 500 to 1,000 rupees. If my capital is 1 lakh rupees, I can take a risk of 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. If my capital is 10,000 rupees, I can take a risk of 100 to 200 rupees. But to do realistically is very tough, because when you trade with option, the risk is slightly more when you compare to the equity trading. So I will show both today. I show both equity trading, who are having less capital, trade with equity, who are having better capital, trade with the option. So market is just about to open. Nifty and Bank Nifty is just about to open. Let's our trading start. One point to note, guys, that we won't trade for the first 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes is a waiting period where we wait the market to react and see how the trades are coming. Only then after that we will look for the trades. Is it clear? Is everyone ready, guys? So market is opening in 1 minute. In just 1 minute, we are opening the market here. Let's see how it goes. And let's see some of the stocks, what is happening in some of the stocks. Okay, I've got Metropolis is positive. NTPC is positive. OB Reality is positive. Let's see. I have kept a radar. Today's session will be fast. It is live trading. Market doesn't wait for us. I take a trade also and try to explain you as well. Markets have just opened. This is the first candle which is being formed, which is formed in Bank Nifty. This is the first candle which is being formed in the Nifty. We need to wait for some time for the first 5 minutes for power zone to come. 5 minutes we have to wait for power zone to come. Till then, just keep an eye. So Bank Nifty is opening on a very good basis here. Bank Nifty is making a very good candle here so far. Nifty is also making a very good candle so far. Let's see how it goes. So what we usually do is, if the power zone is coming here, we will wait for the index to come to the power zone and then take a trade. We will not be in an urgency to take a trade. We have to wait. We have to wait for the index or a stock to come to the power zone, to break out my power zone. Only then my entry will come. That is called as patience, guys. That is where I have the maximum returns. So the people who have just joined today, thanks for joining once again. So I'm Pavan Joshi, your trainer and mentor for today. So today we are using a live trading session to use a power zone and trade in live markets. And also I explained yesterday, who have joined the sessions for current webinar, explain how the power zone works, where to take an entry, where to take an exit, what is the stop loss, what is the risk, what is the reward. Today I'm going to explain once again when I take a trade. So this is where Bank Nifty has started. This is where Nifty has started. Most of the people does a mistake here. They directly jump into the trade. Market just opened and is first minute, and you directly jump into the trade and get trapped here. You see what happens later. You will get trapped here suddenly, and rest of the day you are completely trapped. So I am not going to buy when my risk is high. I am going to buy when my risk is low. So let's see some of the stocks, what they are doing. And also I've open equal to low equal to same, because today market is bullish. So I will choose open equal to low equal to same stocks. So these are the list of stocks which are coming up now. At 9:20 a.m. my trading will start. At 9:20 a.m. my trading will start. Okay. Then I have opened my Zerodha terminal here. Nothing is there now right now. Only Nifty and Bank Nifty is open. Nothing is there right now. Whenever the trade comes, I'll add that and start my trading. Okay, clear? Okay, so let's wait and watch for a few more minutes, and then we will start our trading, right? Then we'll start our trading. So 3 more minutes to go for, see, this is when people make urgency. That is what I said. When market opens, suddenly you make urgency in a trading. No, you should not make an urgency. Wait for the power zone to come. Wait for the stock to come down to the power zone. Come down to the power zone. Take an entry here, and then market will go up. That should be the way of trading. That is where most of the people make mistake. So I'm going to show you today. So this is what happens. Some of the people got trapped here seeing a bullish candle. Did I say or not? Did I say you or not? Most of the people get trapped here and trying to enter in a bullish trade and get trapped. For the entire day, they sit and wait for the price to come back. That is what I'm trying to say here. You need patience. Entry is very important. Exit is very important. Execution is very important. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So these are the list of stocks I'm having. So Ashok Leyland, I think open equal to low equal to same. Ashok Leyland open equal to low equal to same, but it is far away from the power zone. Power zone is coming in few minutes. Let's see. Maruti looks great. M&M looks great, guys. M&M looks great. Maruti looks great to me. TVS Motor looks great to me. I think these are all trades coming up in few minutes. Bharat Forge looking great to me. Power zone will come in just one more minute. We have to wait and watch for first 5 minutes. Hero Moto, Tata Motors, Metropolis looks like automobile sector is doing well for today. See, guys, whoever got trapped, they got trapped now. People who are taking a buy trade here, they got trapped. Did I tell you or not? You need to wait. Did I tell you or not? You need to wait. This is why I'm telling you, you have to wait for trade to come at the power zone to take an entry, right? How to add the list here? That's what I said. Go to your watch list here, click on plus and add the list of stocks. So this is where the markets have opened. Let's see where market is going now. Open equal to low stocks here. You can choose a list of stocks from here, or you can directly go here to the watch list and see the stocks. See, Ashok Leyland is opening here. I don't take a trade. Let me check other trades. Maruti, M&M. Power zone is here, but M&M is here. I won't take a trade. Metropolis is away. I don't take a trade. Tata Motor is away. I don't take a trade. I want to take a trade when it is near to my power zone. It's near to my power zone. Bank Nifty, let's see. See, Nifty is here. Power zone is here. I will wait. I will wait for Nifty to come to my power zone. Only then I take my entry. Same for Bank Nifty. I will take an entry only when it comes to my power zone. Till then, I will wait. Let's see some of the stocks. Let's see some of the stocks where there is an entry. Let's see some of the stocks where I am looking for an entry. Since market is looking positive to me, I am looking for positive trades. If market is negative, I will look for negative trades. So, power zone. If you come across any stock where power zone is breaking, put in the chat box. I'm happy to check and take the trades today. Okay. Jubilant Food. Somebody is messaging me. Jubilant Food. Let me check Jubilant Food, guys. Jubilant Food works. It is bearish right now. It is not breaking the power zone. It has to break the power zone to take a trade. So from the list of here, I have Metropolis, NTPC, Maruti Suzuki, Oberoi, Bajaj Auto, Kotak Mahindra. So let's see. All these stocks are here on the right side. Let's see if I'm again going to get a trade here. Then I'm going to take a trade. And it has to be breaking my power zone, not away from the power zone. See, power zone is here, trade is coming here, no trade. I want to buy when it breaks the power zone or near to my power zone. Near to my power zone, else I will not take a trade. It's all about patience, guys. You need to be patient enough to find a right trade and take an entry. Okay, let's wait and watch and see which is breaking my power zone, where I can take a trade. Havells looking okay to me. Let's see if the candle is good enough, then we will take an entry. A good candle is being formed here. Let's wait and watch. India Mart, AU Bank, M&M Finance is looking good, guys. It's looking good with the bullish candle. Let's wait and watch. If the candle completes the bullish candle, then we will take a trade. Okay, we'll take a trade. Tata Consumer, Bharat Forge, yes, many are messaging Coromandel. Let's see. Concor, okay, Concor also looking good. I'm not taking entry. Hero Motocorp also looking good, but it is away from the power zone. But still, we can try here. But I'm just waiting. Let's see. Yes, Bharat Forge is looking good, breaking my power zone. That's why I'm going for the Bharat Forge here. Bharat Forge, BHARATFORG. I type Bharat Forge. I click on buy and I'll buy 100 quantities and choose intraday. I choose intraday and buy 100 quantities. Why did I buy 100 quantities here? It is breaking my power zone. It has broken my power zone here. It has broken my power zone here. Where is the power zone? Here. So buy here. Why I'm buying here? It's breaking my power zone with a beautiful candle. It's breaking my power zone with a beautiful candle. Where is my stop loss? Stop loss will be here. Stop my loss. So what I have to do? I have to go to my Bharat Forge trade here. I have to click on buy and buy the trade. So now right now it is coming down, no problem. This is how the trading goes. It will come down and take a support and go up. It will come down and take a support and go up. So Bharat Forge have taken entry. Option we will not trade in stock options today because this is a weekly expiry. So I've taken an entry, guys. If you want to take an entry, you can take an entry. Our stop loss is here. What is my stop loss? 677 will be my stop loss. 677 will be my stop loss. My entry point is here. So how to place my stop loss? I can go here, click on sell, click on stop loss. How to place the stop loss? Click on sell, click on sell, click on sell, select the stop loss and choose 677, 677 and 676. This is how you choose your stop loss. This is how I choose my stop loss. Right? This is how you place your stop loss. Yes, it is fallen down now, no problem. This is how market goes. This is how market goes. It went up, it came down, and then it goes up. You should not be worried about this retracement. This is what you need to understand. This is a power zone. And it's a beautiful power zone. It works as a support for the day. You have taken an entry here. We've taken an entry here. We will wait for our stop loss or we will wait for our targets. So whatever our targets, what is our targets? Let's take a long position here. I am going to buy here and I'm placing my stop loss here. And my target should be 1:1 at least. So it should come at least here. Right? Should come somewhere here. This is my target. So this is my target. So I will book my profits when this target comes. Do not panic. This is how you have to trade. Let's see other opportunities if there are anything to trade. So this is what is Bharat Forge. Let me see if there are any other opportunities. So market is right now correcting a bit. That is why the stocks are also falling. When the market goes up again, the stocks will also bounce back. So not a problem, not to worry. So what I'm doing, I'm waiting for Bank Nifty and Nifty to come to the power zone, so that I can take an entry. I'm also waiting for Nifty to come to the power zone, to take an entry. I've also already taken an entry in Bharat Forge. How to calculate my risk? My risk is this much, my reward is this much. Hope you have taken an entry in Bharat Forge. I've already given a trade. Next, let's see if there are any other opportunities to trade. If you have come across any trade, put in the chat box, guys. Put in the chat box. Indian Hotel. Okay, let me check Indian Hotel. It is taken for intraday. Yes. Yes, Varun. It is taken for intraday. Concor, Maruti. It's come down, Maruti. No trade as of now. HAL. HAL is looking good, guys. HAL is looking good. We can take an entry here, place a stop loss here for a target here. HAL is looking good. SR Transfin also looks good, but this long wick, I'm not confident enough to take a trade. Open equal to low equal to same. If you see list of stocks here, I have a list of stocks here to choose from. Container Corp is there, Escorts is there, TVS is there, Britannia is there, India Mart is there, Titan is there. If in that stocks I'm getting a trade here, you can choose to take an entry. Are you getting my point, guys? Bharti Airtel. Okay, some of you asking Bharti Airtel. Let me check. Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel is downside, so I won't take a trade as of now. Bajaj Finserv. One of you asking about Bajaj Finserv. Yeah, it's not a bullish candle, so I won't take an entry. So how I'm getting a stock? I'm getting a stock from list of this stock, or you can get it from a list of stocks here. Manually you can choose, or you can choose it from the list of stocks here. However you want to do it. Okay. Havels, LIC Housing. Okay. Havels. Let's see Havels. Havels. Okay, but long wick. See the bullish. It's not a bullish candle. It's not a bullish candle. I told you yesterday what's a bullish candle is. It's a green bullish candle. Okay. Let's see. Godrej Properties. Again, it is on the upper side. I'm just choosing the list of stocks which I have from the right side. Any list of stocks you are choosing already. I'm just choosing and seeing if there is any trade coming up so that I can show you. Bharat Forge is the one trade we have taken already because it's a bullish candle. It's a bullish candle. It's a breakout the power zone. That is why we can make Nifty, Bank Nifty. I'm not getting a trade yet. Why, Pavan? Why no trade in Bank Nifty, Nifty? Like I said, we need to wait for it to come to the power zone. This is when I will enter. This is how the stock can go further. Okay. So you must, some of you pinging UBL. Let's take UBL. UBL is good, guys. UBL is good. You could have taken an entry here. You could have taken an entry here. UBL is looking good to me. UBL is looking good to me. Anybody can take an UBL entry as well. You can take an entry here and target should come here. UBL is good. UBL is good. Some of you asking on Infi. Let me check Infi. Infi. Okay, Infi is looking sideways to me because most of 2-3 candles are playing in the same range. So it is looking sideways to me. Let's see UBL. Let's keep a radar on UBL if I'm taking an entry. Let's see if I tell you if I take an entry. So Concord, M&M, Bharat Forge, okay, Havels. Havels looking okay to me. Pidilite is above from the power zone. Power zone is here, so I won't take an entry. Yes, Apollo Hospital looks good. Apollo Hospital looks good. It's getting a power zone. Asian Paints. I'm checking one by one, guys. You can also check yourself what I'm trying to show you here. L&T Finance looking good. Titan, see the trade is, the power zone is here, but the trade is coming here, so I won't take a trade. Nifty, I'm waiting. Nifty, I'm waiting for this level to come. I'm waiting for this level to come, Nifty. I'm waiting for this level to come to take an entry. What I'll do, I will take an entry here. Waiting for entry. I'm waiting for my entry here. I'm waiting. I do not want to climb the running bus. I want to climb at the bus stop. Same goes for the Bank Nifty as well. I am waiting for the bus stop. I am waiting here. Waiting to enter. I am waiting for the bus stop. I am waiting to enter here. When it comes down to my power zone, I will take an entry. Till then, I will not take an entry. Info Edge, TechChem, okay, let me check. Info Edge. Okay, let me search now. Okay, Info Edge. It is looking okay. It's looking okay to me, but still not confident because the first candle is bearish. So that's why I'm not taking an entry. TechChem is not good, guys. It's sideways. See, all the candles are touching and in the power zone. So no trade. You need to break out like this to take a trade or break down like this to take a short trade. Right now, no trade. And you want to see some of the bearish trades, Tata Steel. Tata Steel is looking highly bearish. JSW Steel is looking highly bearish. All steel stocks are looking highly bearish today. But power zone is here and the short is coming here. That is why I won't take a trade. Like I said, we will take the trade near to the power zone, not away from the power zone. Okay, let's see if there are any other stocks coming up. In the chat box if you feel there is any other opportunity to trade. Market is just making some adjusting, some bit of just a Monday, a start of the week. Market is just trying to adjust right now. So this is what patience, this is when HUL, I told you, we can take an entry here, we can look for a target here. HUL, HUL. I asked you earlier that we can take a trade here and place a stop loss here. Bharat Forge, we have taken a trade here because of power zone and we have placed a stop loss here and looking for a target here. Let's see what happens. Then let's see if there are any other trades to show you so that we can take some entries. So DLF again, power zone is here, but DLF is here, it's way high. That's why I'm not taking an entry. Guys, today I'm showing the trading only with respect to power zone. There are a lot of setups which I can show you and trade, but today I'm going to show you with power zone. That is why we need to wait. Because power zone is a wonderful. See, this is what I'm talking about. Indigo can take an entry here, can place a stop loss below this for a wonderful opportunity. Why power? Because it's a beautiful candle. Because it is coming near the power zone. It is coming near the power zone. Just this much difference is there. We can still go for a chance, but usually it has to happen at the power zone. That is the best one. 1705 you can buy here and place a stop loss here somewhere. You place a stop loss here somewhere, and you can buy here, or you can buy in the dip as well. You can buy in the dip as well. So Indigo also is a wonderful opportunity to trade because it's making a very good candle, but it is not touching the power zone. There is a small risk here, but still okay. You can want to try, you can try. Nifty, I'm waiting for this level. Nifty, I'm waiting for this level to come. Bank Nifty, I'm waiting for this level to come. Indigo is a very good opportunity to take an entry. So I can go for Indigo option. They are not allowing. Let's see Indigo. Indigo 1700 CE. 1700 CE. Let me see if I can scalp. Let me see if I can scalp. If the candle closes well, I can plan. If the candle closes well, I can plan. Let's see. Just away from the power zone, that's why I'm giving a small waiting period here. I'm just giving a small waiting period here because away from the power zone. And steel stocks are crashing. Steel stocks are crashing. Due to that, Nifty is coming down. Nifty is coming down. Bank Nifty is coming down. Let's see how we can trade. If breaks the power zone, we go with the put option. If it recovers from the power zone, we will go with the call option. Let's wait and watch for the trade, guys. Jindal Steel, MTR, BPCL. Okay, BPCL. Okay, let's see BPCL. One of you asking BPCL. Let's check, guys. BPCL for you. BPCL is breaking. Yes, it could be a good trade. If we good trade, when it goes below this level, we can short for this level as a target. So Bharat Forge, what's happening? We took a trade here. Please, Bharat Forge going up. Yes, I have the confidence. I have the stop plays in my system. I have taken a trade. I know what is going to happen. This is called as price action. This is how market comes down and goes up and hit the targets. This is where most of the people lose patience. This is where most of the people don't lack the confidence in trading. So let's wait and watch and see what happens. So Nifty, I'm just waiting for an entry here. So this is what is patience all about, guys. See how much patient I am to take one entry. If urgently I take any trade, then I'll get stuck. So BPCL, I've got a short trade. I can go for short. So Tata Steels are crashing, by the way, but 15% down, guys, already 12% down. I'm not going to short here. It's very, very, very risky to go and short, which is already fallen 15%, right? So I'm looking for any trade on the reversal now. Let's see. Nifty is reversing a bit here. Bank Nifty is reversing and making a new high here. So if you get any chance here in stocks, that is the best way to take an entry here because Nifty is reversing, right? So Indigo, I waited patiently. UBL, Pidilite, Havels, EU Bank, Titan. I'm just trying to find a good trade, guys, to take any entry. India Cement, Motherson Sumi, Astral Poly, Escorts, Naukri, LIC. No, LIC, no trade. Bajaj Finserv, no trade. Deepak Nitrate, no trade. Dr. Reddy, no trade. And open equal to low equal to same. We are seeing some of the stocks. Let's see what are some of the stocks. Concor, SR Trans, Escorts, Titan, Bata India, M&M Finance. Let's check M&M Finance. M Finance. Yes, M&M Finance is looking good to me. A beautiful candle here above the power zone. I'm getting an entry here. Bharat Forge, which we took a trade. Bharat Forge. We have taken a trade already. I showed in equity. I can also show in option. What to do in option? You need to go to 6 Bharat Forge 690 call option. 690 call option. I can click on buy here. I can click on buy. I can click on limit price and I can click on entry here. 12.3 is the price which is running. Let me see if I can buy here. And place my order here is open order. Let me see it is going up. So I'm just modify my order and execute a bit so that I don't miss the trade. Okay, Bharat Forge, I have taken an entry in option. Bharat Forge, I have taken an entry in equity as well, option as well. Both I have showed you now. Why the entry in Bharat Forge, Pavan? Because it's a beautiful candle breaking my power zone. I'm taking an entry. Entry is taken and target is looking here. What is my target? 700 levels. I'm looking for a target. Why Pavan is the entry? Because Bharat Forge is breaking a power zone, the beautiful candle. That is why I've taken an entry. So what are the profits or losses right now? Right now, I am at neutral zone. I'm not making profit, nor I'm making losses. In minutes, we will have to see some green coming up. In minutes, we have to see some green coming up. Anybody traded with me, guys? Anybody traded with me? Boom! Already we are 400 rupees profit, guys. In minutes, we are already in 400 rupees profit. Can you see it? Live market, live trading with me. 600 rupees profit, 580 rupees profit. This is how to trade in live markets. Live markets, we had the confidence to trade in the stock. Which stock we choose? Bharat Forge. Why did we choose? It break the power zone. Why did we enter? It break the power zone. Did we wait or not? Did we take the entry or not? Why did I choose a 490 call option? Because it is near 490 strike price. 490 strike price is the nearest strike price. That is why I have taken an entry. Is it clear? Any doubts? Put in the chat box, guys. Did you take a trade with me? Are you making some profits? Yes, sir. Bharat Forge, you're taking a trade at 9, 12, now 12. 2,250 rupees profit. Perfect. Perfect. 800 rupees profit, 50 rupees profit, 1,200 profit, 800 profit, 900 profit, 600 rupees profit, 200 rupees profit. Great. 1,400 rupees profit, 155 rupees profit. Great, guys. Great. Bullish candle, one bullish candle, that is where we take an entry, right? And Nifty, like I said, is coming down and it is giving an opportunity to go up. That is what is happening, and you can see it happening in live markets as well. Bharat Forge, let it take a time. Let it take a time. It come down like this. It come down like this. Let it go like this. Let it come down like this. Then I'm expecting to break this level. 700 levels, that is where we look for an opportunity to book the profit. But for option, we will book earlier. Equity, we can wait for a bigger target because option decays. Option decays, so I don't want to wait for more time in option. But equity, we can do a quick trade. Equity, you can sit for a longer duration. But option, we will look for booking the profits earlier. So I'm still in a profit of 424 rupees. Are you in the profit as well with me? Are you in the profit as well with me? 600 rupees profit is coming in the option. 140 rupees is negative in the equity. So I'm still in profit. I'm making my gains. Are you making my gains? Are you making the gains as well like me? And in the chat box, guys. This is what I'm trying to show you, that yes, it is possible to make profit. 400 profit, 230 rupees profit. Yes. Great to know. Great to know. Missed an option call with a limit order, no problem. If you miss it, if you miss the bus, it's okay. Never chase the bus. Always wait for your entry to come in. Okay, let's see if there is any other opportunity. Concor doing well. Concor doing well. HAL already given in the morning, it's doing well. Bharat Forge new high coming up. Bharat Forge new high coming up. Are we the profit? Yes. 700 rupees profit right away in front of you. 700 rupees profit. I am in 700 rupees profit. Are you in profit? I hope you are in profit as well. So let's see Maruti. Okay, Maruti, no trade. Hero Moto, no trade. Will not trade entry in the middle somewhere. Indigo looks good to me. Indigo looks very hot to me. I can do a quick scalp in Indigo. I can do a quick scalp in Indigo. See, Bank Nifty and Nifty reverse from these levels. From these levels, Bank Nifty and reverse from these levels. Like I said, Indigo looking very, very hot to me. I can do a quick scalp in Indigo. Indigo 1700 C. I will just do a quick few scalps in Indigo. I can do a few scalps in Indigo here. It is a bit of risky, but I can do a quick scalp. Let's wait, guys. Why take risk? Why take risk, right? Why take risk? Why take a lot of risk? Nifty is reverse. Nifty, you can take an entry for a bigger target, but good entry was here. Now the other entry is here. The good entry was here, guys. The good entry was here, but it didn't come their level, but it come here and reverse. That is also could be traded. But the risk is more here. That is the risk is more here. A bit, little bit of risk is more here. That is why I suggest to it. 1,000 rupees profit. Anybody traded with me, Bharat Force, 1,000 rupees profit. If you traded with me, you should be sitting with 1,000 rupees profit with me. Just one lot. I'm not showing with big numbers here. I'm not showing you big trades here, big quantities here. I'm showing a simple thing which anybody can trade. How much money did I use? Maximum 10-15,000 should be used here. And with 10-15,000, you're making 1,000 rupees gains is 10% of your investment. 10% of your investment. Believe me, that is a great money, guys. And daily, if you make that great money, then nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you, right? So I'm engaged, still I'm engaged. I'll wait for the market to react to come up, no problem. This is what happens in option. It goes out, comes down, goes up. Goes up, comes down, goes up. So you need to be patient enough to book a very good profit. So I'm looking for this level for a profit. But option traders book early profit. Equity traders, no problem. You can wait. So Nifty, there is an opportunity here to trade an entry here. We waited for power zone. It didn't come till the power zone, but we could have taken an entry here. The 15-minute, if you see, it is forming a bullish candle here. Let's see. The good entry was here. That is what is patience all about. Still it can come down. Still it can come down and give us opportunity. You should not be in a hurry always. Always never be in a hurry to trade, guys. Never be in a hurry to trade. Market will not go anywhere. It will come back again. Don't worry. This is how stock market moves. This is how the market moves. You need to be patient enough. You need to trade. You need to be cautious. Take risk what you can afford. Do not take high risk. Okay, what are any other trade you're looking after? Let me check. Entry candle should touch and it must be bullish only. Yes, correct, Suresh. Correct. 1.1k profits to the good. Adani Enterprises. Ullas is asking Adani Enterprises. Let me check. Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises. Okay, it looks good to me. Adani Enterprises has fallen and taking a support of power zone. It's a good trade, guys. It's a good entry point. I will wait for this candle is bullish and then take an entry. If this candle is bullish, then I get a confirmation that I can go for that trade. It's a good pickup for us. How to set the stop loss? Nothing. How to set the stop loss? Go to sell, select the sell option here, select the sell option here, select SL here, and then choose whatever stop loss you want to choose. For example, I want to choose a stop loss of 8. So I will choose 8 and 8 and 8.2. So 8 and 8.2 should be your stop loss here, right? 8 and 8.2 and click on sell. That should be how you have to place your stop loss. So Indigo is doing well. Indigo is doing highs. So I'm looking to take an entry in Indigo. It's a bit risky, but I am going for it without wasting much time. Let's see if I can take an entry in Indigo. 52. Okay, I think margin required is more because of the expiry. Margin required is more because of the expiry. Let's wait, guys. Let me take, okay, one Indigo trade I have taken here. Here, why I have taken a trade? I tell you, positionally it is very good. Why positionally it is very good? Because it is broken my zone. Yesterday's zone and day before zone. See here, I can hold it for more than 1 day. I can hold it for more than 1 day. That kind of a trade it is. And I'm looking for these level targets. These level are my targets. These level are my targets. So this is advanced level of learning, guys. This is for more learning. This is for more learning. So other positional trade also I am given here. Why? Because see, this is what is a breakout all about. See, I am making a profit here. Am I making a profit? Yes. This is in profit as well. This is in profit as well. I am looking for targets of 60 levels, 65 levels as well. This is the target I am looking for. This is the target I am looking for. Let's see whether it achieves or not. We need to be patient enough. We need to wait for targets to come. It will not come in a jiffy, right? We need to be patient enough to take a trade, wait for the targets to come. It's all about patience. It's all about patience and perseverance in trading. Okay, Sudhir is saying awesome. Okay, thank you. Bharat Forge, what is the stop loss? 677. Below this level will be our stop loss. Below this level will be our stop loss. No problem. We will wait. It's okay. This is how market moves. It gave us a chance here to exit. Some of the people exited. We didn't exit. No problem. It is going to come down here and give a chance to exit. Market will go up and down. You need to be patient enough working with your levels. Working with your levels. Stop loss for Bharat Forge option, it will be below 8. It will be below 8, below this level. Once this level breaks, we can exit. There is no problem. Guys, market will go like, come like this and go up. It will come like this and go up. Same for Indigo as well. It will not just go in one straight line. It will not just go in one straight line. This. It will come up, come down, go up, come down, and go up. This is called as a price action. This is called as what? Price action. This is how we make the profits. This is how we make. This is how you have to trade it with a lot of patience. And I am showing you how to be patient in markets. So Adani Ports booked the 3,125 profit. Shiv Kumar Patil. Congratulations, Shiv. Let's check Adani Ports. Adani Ports. Yes, good one. It's reversing from the power zone and you would have taken an entry. Wonderful trade. Adani Enterprises also should be similar. Yes, Adani Enterprises also could be taken an entry because it is reversal here. You take an entry here, place a stop loss here. What is my target? This should be my target. This should be my target. Right? This should be my target. Index no trade as of now because it didn't come to my power zone, but it already went up from here. So if there's an opportunity here, we would have taken an entry. We could have taken an entry, but we waited more because we buy at the Indigo 2,500 profit booked. Congratulations, Sridhar. Congratulations, Sridhar, for booking great gains. Let's wait and watch, guys. Let's wait and watch and see what happens. Hope you are learning something in the live markets. Hope you're learning something in the live markets. Like I said already, Bharat Forge. First candle low is my stop loss. So what I do, I go to my option. Bharat Forge, I go to my option here. I click on this chart. I click on this chart. First candle low. What is the first candle low here? Below this level 8. So below 8 will be my stop loss. Below 8 will be my stop loss. Or when the power zone breaks here, you go in exit. We go in exit. When the power zone breaks here, we go in exit. No worry now. Right now, no problem. So this is how you should trade with logic. See, Bank Nifty, very good trade. Nifty, very good trade. Nifty, very good trade. Yes, we didn't give us a lot of opportunity to take an entry. Here we could have tried. We could have tried 15 minutes candle. If I see I'm getting a very good reversal here. This 3 candle is called as Morning Star. This 3 candle setup is called as Morning Star. If it completes properly, I'm expecting market to go up. If it doesn't complete properly, then I'm expecting market to come down. So this is more analysis, more learning. With more learning, you will understand those things. So I have taught you a simple technique today. Simple technique, just how to use one power zone simple tool and still make money with it. Right? I've just showed you a simple tool today. And not explain too many things of concept. What is simple tool? How still can make profit? Bharat Forge, we are in trade. We are in trade for Indigo for positionally. We are in Indigo for positional trade. For more than one day, today, tomorrow, I am expecting a target of this 1749. Am I in profit? Am I in profit? Yes, looks to be in profit right now. Let's see. Am I in profit? Yes, 52.9, 52.8 looks like in profit. So the trade is going well as per the plan. So this is where we entered. This is where I'm looking for a profit, 1,748. This is where I'm looking for a profit. Why Pavan this trade? Because on a 15-minute chart, if you see positional breakout, this is a resistance. This is a resistance here. This is a resistance here. This is a resistance here. Finally breaking out here. So I will get whatever risk I'm taking. I'm getting a reward. I am getting a profit till here. I'm looking for a profit till here. These are advanced topics which you are going to learn in future. These are advanced topics which you are going to learn in future. But this is how it goes. I'm trying to show you with other techniques as well, apart from power zone. Power zone is one of the concepts. Yes, power zone also I have taught you. But other techniques also there are. Market is an ocean to learn about. So I've just taken a positional trade in Indigo. I will hold for more than today and tomorrow. I'm looking for this profit 1,750. Let's see what happens. Whether I will achieve the target, whether I will achieve the target, not achieve the target. It's up to the market. But my planning is done. I'm taken a trade here. My risk is, my stop loss is below the power zone. I'm looking for a target here. I've taken a risk of 5,000. My reward will be 5,000. I've taken a risk of 500. My reward will be 500. So it's the play of risk to reward. It's the play of risk to reward. So Indigo, how many of you are making profits, guys? Put in the chat box. Put in the chat box. Put in the chat box. 1,800 profit, 200 profit, 3,200 profit. 500 rupees profit, sir. One thing is negative, no problem. 1,700 profit in Indigo. I'm stuck in Bharat Forge, no problem. It will come back. We are there in trading. It's okay. That is how it goes. Just observing, no problem. Just observe. If you do not have any trading account, then you can try neostocks.com. You can try neostocks.com. You can try neostocks.com. You can open a virtual trading account, free account, and trade in that as well. Virtual money. So Indigo new high, Indigo new high, and Indigo is making 53 levels. So we bought at 51, 52 levels. So we are in profit. We are in profit. Indigo is now 54 levels. Indigo is now 54 levels. Let's wait and watch. And Bharat Forge is taking a pause now. Let's see when the trade will come. Let's see if there are any other trades, guys. I'm going to see if there are any other opportunities as well. Maruti is a good reversal from the low. It's a good reversal. Indigo, we have taken an entry already. It's making a new high. HAL, India Mart, Hero Moto, Esatran, Godrej Properties, Pidilite, Oberoi Realty. Coming. So why I'm looking for a bullish trade? Because market is positive. See, market is positive. That is why I'm looking for a bullish trade. Simple as that. Asian Paints, Apollo Hospital was a good trade, guys. India Hotel. Many of you are pinged earlier to me. India Hotel. If you had traded, you would have made a profit here. How beautifully it works. Where to take an entry? What is my stop loss? What is the reward? It's very crisp and clear. It's very crisp and clear how to plan my trade. Where do I take an entry? What is my stop loss? What is my exit point? What is my entry point? Everything is known to you. LTI, wonderful trade here. LTI, wonderful trade. Okay, let's see some of the chat box, guys. What you're trying to see? Can you please share your insights on Godrej CP? Okay, let me open Godrej CP. Let's open Godrej CP. So this is what is Godrej CP. So Godrej CP is below the power zone, so it is weak. It is weak for the day. And if near the power zone, it makes a red candle, we can go for a short. You can go for a short. Sir, I missed yesterday classes. No problem. You can go and watch the recording. Sorry for late. I was not working. No problem. Bharat Forge. It's okay. We have taken a trade here in Bharat Forge. Why? Because a bullish candle is formed. I placed a stop loss here. My target is here. We will wait and trade the plan. We'll stick with the plan. We'll stick to the plan. We'll trade the plan. Whether profit or loss is secondary. It's a part of a process. But I have to stick to my plan. That is what is trading is all about. Trading is all about sticking to the plan. NTPC, Aarti Industries, ABFRL. Many of you are asking ABFRL. ABFRL, okay. ABFRL, good one. Could have traded 1:1 profit done and dusted. Aarti Industries, okay. Let me check Aarti Industries. So this is Aarti Industries. Okay. Red candle and green candle. This is when I avoid mostly. But still, if you have taken a trade, then your stop loss will come here. So we taken one trade in Indigo, which is positional trade. I'm looking for this target for more than 1 day holding. It's not for intraday trade. This is for intraday trade. Bharat Force. I'm looking for this target. Let's see what happens. This is Nifty. Like I said, Nifty didn't come to my power zone, so I not taken an entry. Bank Nifty didn't come to my power zone, so I'm not taken an entry. But if it comes to my power zone, if it comes here, I will take an entry. I'm waiting for that opportunity. If it comes, I am going to take an entry. If it doesn't come, I can't take an entry. Hope it is clear, guys. Infi super, Bajaj Finance super. Okay, Infi, let me check Infi. Yes, wonderful. Yes, Infi, beautiful candle, and then it goes. We couldn't see and trade, but if some of you have traded, it's very good. Titan also looks very good, breaking the day's high here on a 15-minute chart. It would be breaking yesterday's main resistance coming here. See, main resistance breaking above this level. It can fly. It can fly positionally. So these are all why I'm explaining this, because it is also good positionally as well. It's not just for intraday, it's also good for positionally as well. So Maruti is looking great. Already 3.5% up. Indigo is looking good. Already we've taken an entry. Bata. India Hotel, some of you were asking India Hotel. Yes, if you would have traded, you would have went up, but I would have avoided because of first candle is red candle. Sir, I mentioned about intellect, Mindtree. Okay, some of you are asking about Mindtree. Madan is asking Mindtree. Let me check Mindtree. M-I-N-D-T-R-E-E, Mindtree. Yes, Mindtree. It's a good one. It moved up. Good one. I avoided because see here red and red, mix of red and green candles. That is why I could have avoided. But if I taken a trade, great gains. Bharat Force target. So Bharat Force target is here, 705. You need to be patient enough. So that is what you need to do in trading. Trading is all about patience, guys. You take an entry, you stick to the plan. If stop loss hits, take the stop loss. Our main intention is to save my capital and do not deviate. Up and down, market will go and come. That is the habit of a market. That is how market works. And you should not panic. I have taken a trade. I know my stop loss. I know my target, and I will wait for it. I will wait for it. That's it. It will test your patience. It will test your emotions. It will test everything. Don't think on the minute you take it and market will just fly away, right? It will take some time. Hindalco, okay, Hindalco. So this is Hindalco for you. So Hindalco power zone is here. Power zone is here. That is why I didn't take an entry for shorting, because it is going to come till the power zone and then it may fall down again. Because power zone is the main resistance. Power zone is the main resistance, right? So one of you asking, can I take an entry in Indigo? Yes, you can take an entry in Indigo. Indigo has given a positional trade. If you can take a risk of this stop loss in going to trade for this profit, yes, you can take a trade. SBI Life. SBI Life. Let's see SBI Life. What's happening? It's also a good one. Could have taken a trade here, place the stop loss here, and look for a target here. 1:1. How to calculate 1:1? Go to here on the left side, there's a long position. Click on long position, click here, then select the stop loss. Then target will be 1:1 here. So here 1:1 is somewhere here. So you can plan your trade likewise. Okay, great. So this is how it goes. Let's wait and watch. The market is all about patience. Adani Ports booked 1,850 rupees, 1,025 rupees profit. Shiv Kumar, congratulations. Rahul, is Nifty making a morning star? Nifty didn't make a perfect. Yes, Nifty made a morning star. Yes, Nifty has made a morning star. This will be a stop loss. This can be an entry for an upper side. If it means double bottom, it is a good entry point. So next time we will take an entry if it comes here. Same for the Bank Nifty as well. We will wait for an entry. If we get an entry, we will enter. MTR, I traded 1479 profit, entered at 1459 and sold at 1472. Great. MTR, let me check. MTR Technologies. Yes, wow, wonderful trade. You've taken a trade here. You've taken a trade here and you told you exited here. Wonderful. See, the beauty of power zone is that any trade, you would have taken some trade, I would have taken some trade. Everything is fine, guys. Anybody can trade any stock. So Indigo is trying to make a new high now. And Nifty is trying to make a new high. Yes, I told you Nifty is making a very good pattern here for going up. It is going to go up. Nifty. Anybody want to take, still can take a trade. But I don't want to teach you that to buy at a higher point. I want to teach you to buy at this point, this area. The area where the risk is low. The area where the risk is low. That is where I'm going to enter. Else I have to keep on waiting. When the market comes down, we have to keep on waiting. I don't want to wait along, right? Can we take a Nifty call now? No. Why you want to buy at a higher price? Why you want to risk at a higher price? The best price is here, power zone. Right? I told you the best price is power zone. I'm just waiting for this entry. What I'm waiting for? I'm waiting here. Waiting for entry. You will get it. You will get it. We will get it. We will get it. We will get it. Waiting to enter. When it comes there, then don't think. Then don't think. Market is of 6.5 hours, 6 hours. So now I will be live only for 1 or 2 hours. But later point of the time, when it comes down and gives you an opportunity, that is when you need to take an entry. Okay. Okay, so any doubts so far, guys? Any doubts so far? Are you learning? Have you learned so far what I'm trying to say? Why we entered a trade in Borg Forge? Yes, because it's an entry. Yes, okay, yes, I'm learning. Yes, I'm learning. Yes, and don't think the minute you buy it, everything will be green. Guys, be very practical. This is what is learning all about. This is what is learning all about. You will see the positive, negative. You will see the positive, negative. Everything you will see. But you are sticking to the plan. This is what is the plan. I'm going to exit when it comes below. Else, no problem. How to place a stop loss? I already showed you. Go to yes, sell. Then select stop loss. Then select stop loss. Then choose your stop loss. Like example 20, 21, 21, 20 to 21. Like that, you need to choose the stop loss. What is the average monthly returns? Average monthly returns depends on what is your capital. Like I said, 80% accuracy. Out of 10 trades I'm going to take, at least 8 trades I should win. That kind of a strategy it should be there. And I am completely confident. I'm completely confident on my strategy, on my system, on my tool, on my methodology, and on the discipline which we follow. And definitely we are going to achieve the targets as well. Yes, there will be days when market cannot behave the way we want. It's okay. Everybody has to go through that phase. Even Virat Kohli cannot hit a sixer every day. He has to go to the pitch, start hitting 1 by 1 runs, and then finally one day he'll get the class is permanent, form is temporary, right? If you know the knowledge, one or the other day you will succeed. Every day success is not a problem. Every day if you don't succeed, that is the problem with most of the people. Sir, I want to make money every day, every time, every trade. No, you need to take small losses as well. To win a war, you need to lose the battles as well. Many small battles has to be lost to win a big war, because that gives you the learning, that gives you the skill. And I am teaching you live market today. I'm not just showing you end of the day, see, this is what I traded, this is what it's up. I'm showing you live market. This is I have taken an entry, whether it is positive, whether it is negative. This is the trade I have taken. This is the stop loss I have placed. This is the target I'm looking for. This is the target I'm looking for. If target comes, I will book the target. If stop loss comes, I'll book the stop loss. This is how you need to trade. I'm teaching you the discipline. And I have confidence in what I'm teaching. And you will get the confidence too when you do the back testing, when you do follow with the discipline. Okay. Great going, great learning. NTPC clear breakout above power range. Okay, great. NTPC, let's check. Yeah. NTPC. Okay, let's check NTPC, guys. Yes, you're right. What you said is right. Somebody told me, Anand, yes, you are right. NTPC, you've taken entry here, you can place a stop loss here. And we can look for a target somewhere here. 1:1, right? 1:1 means what? 100 rupees risk, 100 rupees reward. Right? So Indigo has taken a trade, is going to go up, it is going to retrace and go up. See, market will not go in one direction upside, it will go up, come down, go up, come down, go up. It will start making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That is how the market moves. Higher highs and higher lows. You need to understand that. And here you go. Nifty and Bank Nifty is heading up. It is heading up. According to the power zone, I cannot show the trade, but various strategies are there where I could have traded the Bank Nifty. Now, various strategies are there where I could trade the Nifty. So now let me ask you a question. Sir, in power zone, I need to find out what stock to trade. I need to find out when to take. I need to take what is the stop loss, what is the target. Is there something you have which will show you target, stop loss, where to take an entry, buy signal? Do you want to see? Do I want to have a look at it? I also have that as well with me. I also have that as well with me. Where to take an entry, where to place the stop loss, where is my target? You want to see that tool? I can show you that as well. Do you want to have a look at it? Ping in the chat box, guys. Yes. Okay, great. See, if I go now, Bank Nifty or Nifty, and I open a 15-minute chart, and then I'm removing the power zone now, right now. I'm removing the power zone. If I add one more indicator for index strategy, you see how beautifully it works. How beautifully it works. I will show you uptrend. This is when I have to enter into a buy trade call option. That's it, simple as that. And boom, the entry has come on day before at 9:50 a.m. on 20th May, and the market continues. One day before, if I go back, downtrend. From here, the market has fallen 900 points. 900 points market has fallen. From here, I've taken an entry, market has gone up 900 points. The previous times at uptrend here, market has went 900 points. How simple it is. This is the tool which will give you an entry point. And also, do you want to know what is my targets? What are my targets? If you see here, it will show you even the targets. Target 1, target 2, target 3. What are the targets which can be achieved? Sir, I want to know what is the stop loss. I want to know what is the stop loss. So it will also show you what is the stop loss. Can you see here? Can you see a stop loss? A blue line here trailing, which is a stop loss. The green line here, which is trailing a stop loss. Multiple setups, 8 to different strategies can be used to trade with this tool. 8 to 10 different trading strategies can be used. Above breakout of this green line, can you see above breakout of this green line, we can take a trade and boom. Below this red line, I can go for short and boom. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. If I go back again, and show you day before, see, break off the green line, here, this green line. And what is my trailing stop loss? Trailing stop loss is the blue line here, blue line here. Continue to be in the trade until and unless the blue line is broken. I will sit in the trade. Go back to any day, broken my red line, beautiful fall. Broken my red line, beautiful fall. Broken my red line, broken my green line, beautiful fall. Broken my red line, beautiful fall. Going behind again. A day before again, above the green line, one good candle here, boom. Pavan, what is my stop loss? Here is the stop loss. Here is the stop loss. Here is the stop loss. Keep on trailing. You want to see Indigo now? Let's see Indigo. What is showing? Indigo. Let me open Indigo trade right now. If I go to today's chart, can you see what is Indigo saying? Breaking out of this green zone. Can you see here? Breaking out this green zone. Also breaking the power zone. I take an entry here, stop loss the blue line, and I will continue to be in the trade. That's the beauty of it, guys. That's the beauty of it. Anything I can show you, any stock you ask me, any index you ask me, any market you ask me, I can show you. You can trade using this tool intraday as well as positional as well. Intraday as well as positional. Any trade, Reliance, let's take an example, Reliance. I go to Reliance. Let's see what is happening in Reliance, uptrend. Yesterday itself, they have given a buy trade here at 2,528 and today it is 2,619. And I am in deep gains if I'm taking a trade. And day before yesterday, downtrend from here to here, what a fall. And again, if I go behind, uptrend from here to boom. Do you like the tool? Do you want to have access to this tool? Did you like this tool? Where the target is going to come, stop loss is going to come. This is a TTM index strategy. It can be applied to index, stocks, equities, and everything. So this tool also access will be given to you in future. Do join us tomorrow session. Do not miss it. I just tried to show you that it's not the end of a story. Power zone is just one tool, one simple tool, but there are lots more to learn and earn as well in markets. So I'm trying to show you bits and pieces of today. So if I go and show you any market, you go and see any market, you go and see, even you want to see crypto, you want to see currency, everything, it will still work. Concor, this is a Concor uptrend. I've just started today. I can hold it positionally for 2 days. Ashok Leyland, Maruti looks like an uptrend. Maruti uptrend started day before and boom, right? And boom, that is how you have to trade, guys. That is how you have to trade. Bharat Forge, let's see what is Bharat Forge saying. Bharat Forge is also in the uptrend. See, and I trade is continuing. So the trade is right. The direction is right. Whatever we are trading is right. Correct? So this is what is all about index strategy. Let me come back to the 5-minute chart. Let me come back to our power zone indicator. So turned on the power zone indicator and you can look at it that Indigo, we're taking an Indigo trade and Indigo making a new high, fresh high coming up in Indigo. So most of the people who have traded Indigo will be in gains or will be getting the gain soon. Indigo profit 800, Madan. Congratulations, Madan. Thanks for profits. Enjoy the profits. So this is Indigo for you. And NTPC, if you have taken a trade, like I showed you here, the target may come here. If there are any opportunities, let me check, guys. 1 or 2 more trades, 1 trade probably. Okay, HAL. Anybody traded HAL? I told you HAL, the target is 1,843 and it is on the way. Maruti, Indigo is heading up. My targets are kept at here 1,750, 1,748. Let's wait and watch. Metropolis, Pidilite, M&M, Canfin Homes. Canfin Homes was a good trade here. If you take an entry, Godrej Properties, Titan, I told you earlier, if it breaks the day's high like this here, it can head up higher. MFSL, DLF, SR Tran, AU Bank, IndusInd, Kotak, APL Limited has gone really well. APL Limited has gone really well. Bharat Forge is still playing around sideways as of now. As of now, sideways. We have to wait and watch. It may test the power zone. The way it is coming down, it looks like it comes to the power zone and goes up. So we have to wait and watch. UBL, if you've taken a trade here and make 1:1 profit, if not, you can hold with the stop loss and wait for a bigger target. So this is how the current status is. What will be the premium of 1,750 if the Indigo touches 1,750? It can be probably 60, 65, near 70. Probably 65 to 68. It's an approximate value which I'm talking about. Power zone is not opening in trading view account. It's not visible, but chart is opening in the chart. Shobit, you need to enter your trading view ID correctly. Only then we can provide you the access. If you enter the trading view ID wrongly, then you will not get the access. Please check your trading view ID correctly and go to the profile and check your trading view ID and then enter it properly. Then my team members will definitely give you the access. If you choose one stock only and trade, what will be the results? Wonderful, sir. Ajay, sir. Anything you can trade. Access to the second tool is not given. Yes, Sanjay, will not be giving the access to the second tool. Only the one tool, Power Zone tool, we have given you the access. This strategy is less stress and more discipline. Yes, Anand, definitely less stress. No stress, easy, take easy trades, chill, take an entries, take a stop loss, take a target, wait for targets to come, wait for stop loss to hit. You need to have patience in trading. Okay. What is the Indigo stop loss? I already told you it was below the power zone here. 1658 is your stop loss. How to get the access to the power zone? Wait, the access to the power zone is given to the people who are registered for the current webinar and who have filled the Google form. If you are from the current webinar, you will have the access. If you do not have the current webinar, then you will not have the access. Market test the patience and feel the profit or loss. Yes, Sandeep. That is why I'm teaching you in live market how we should be patient and see only charts and not see profit and losses. See, did I show you profit and losses? I'm not seeing my profit and losses. Whether profit or loss, you should not deviate from the plan. Let's stick to the plan, trade the plan. Market will go up and down. That is how it moves. Market will go up and down. That is how it moves. We need to be patient enough. We need to be patient enough and trade the way we have to trade. It will test your patience and only then give you profits or losses. So no urgency. I have not filled the form. Yes, if you have not filled the form, you will not get the access. Shubham has responded here. My trading ID is this. Sir, are you from the current webinar? If you are from the current webinar, then you will get the access. I want to talk to your team member WhatsApp number. Yes, we will ping you, sir. Please reply to the WhatsApp number where you're getting a lot of messages how to join the session, right? Please share the Google form link again. Guys, I've sent you already the yesterday WhatsApp number. Whoever is from current webinars, you have got a link yesterday itself in your message. Go and check there. There is a link. Click on that link and enter your TradingView ID. You will get the access. Okay, great. Madan, you will let you know in the tomorrow session. We'll let you know in the tomorrow session what is all about the tools, software, knowledge, case studies, and more learning. So Bharat Forge is coming down, no problem. We have power zone here. We have a stop loss below that. We will wait for stop loss or we'll wait for the targets. Nifty is making a small downside here. That is why when the markets correct, stocks also correct a bit. Have patience, guys. Have patience. This is what is required in trading. This is what is required in trading. You do not have patience, you cannot be in the markets. I'll show you how to be patient and still make profits. What is the issue, Praveen? Tell me. What is the difficulty you are facing? What is the difficulty you are facing? Ullas is asking, sir, I already booked the profits in Bharat Forge. Can I take an entry? Yes, you can take an entry near the power zone again. Near the power zone again, when it makes a bullish candle, then you take an entry again. It will test the power zone. It will test the power zone. Check IRCTC. Okay, let me check IRCTC. IRCTC. So IRCTC, if you see, it is sideways. See, it is not going up nor coming down. So it is sideways. Do not trade this stock. See, it is touching the power zone. All the candles are touching the power zone. This is a sideways trading. So sideways, don't trade the stock. You have to get a trending move. You have to get a trending move. SRF. Okay, SRF. SRF done well already today. See, beautiful candle and it has moved up already. SRF has done well. Yes, Ramana, what is your question? Unable to use the indicator in trading view. Jitu, have you filled the Google form, sir? Have you filled the Google form? Unable to sign in the trading view. Praveen, please ping to our WhatsApp number where you are getting the chats. We are getting the links to join the meeting. They will help you. They will help you. Arjuna, can you help neostocks.com? Neostocks.com is a virtual trading application. You can register there and trade virtually, sir. Virtual money, virtual trading. It is like a game. You're not using your real money. Bharat Forge, hold on to the trade. We need to wait till exit breaks this. Only we will exit once it is break this, guys. Have patience and hold it. That is what is trading is all about. Option premium, don't see the option premium. See the equity. See the equity. Option premium, don't see it. That is what confuses you. You see at the look at this chart, if it breaks down here, one good red candle should break it. Only then we will exit. Till then, aram se hold it. Bharat Forge, I am saying you, please hold on to the trade because it is not broken here, power zone. Don't see the option premium, see the premium of equity. Option will decay. This is a weekly expiry. Option may vary, but we will follow the equity values. And if equity breaks, only then we will go and exit the trade. Getting my point, what I'm trying to say? Option premium varies on the moment. Option premium varies on the moment. Do not exit. Option premium varies on the decays. Look at the equity. Look at the equity. Look at the equity. If it breaks the power zone, only then we will exit. Guys, this is how you have to follow. This is how you need to trade. If it forms a good candle here, again there is a beautiful entry here. Getting my point, what I'm trying to say? This is how you have to trade. It will come to the power zone and test and go. In option premium, we cannot decide. That is why I'm telling you equity, follow the equity. When equity breaks down, then you go and exit. Simple and enough. It will work beautifully, I tell you. Do not panic. Do not panic. It is simple, it works. Sir, I doubt got clear. I use option chart. Don't use option chart, guys. Use the equity chart. Then trade in option. When equity chart stop loss it, then go to your option and exit. Option chart, you choose an option premium. It will vary based on the theta decay. Option Greeks. This is an expiry week. That is why option premium will vary a lot. And your expiry option may hit. Stop loss may hit. That is why I'm saying. Can I add more quantity? Yes, if it forms a beautiful green candle, you can add. Even I can add. Even I will add. Getting my point? Rono G Manik, if we take intraday leverage and make loss, we have to pay extra loss? No, sir. In your capital itself, they will deduct the losses. Trading way is providing only 50, 30-day trail. No, sir. It is for lifetime. It will be free. Trading view is free. See, beautifully it comes down and goes up and you are panicking here. That is why I've joined here today to show you in live market. Guys, do not panic. This is what you need to learn. See, where is Indigo going? It comes down, test your patience, it goes, it's price action. It has to go up, come down a little bit and go up, come down a little bit and go up. This is how it moves. Bharat Forge, it will come down and go up. If it breaks here with a red candle, only then we will exit. Then we will exit. Then we'll accept yes, it is a test stop loss. But right now, no exit. Why we did so much of analysis? Why the power zone is drawn? Why you taken a trade? Stick with the plan. Don't change the plan. Okay, Nifty again, a very good candle. Like I said, when my market makes two red candles, stocks also comes down a bit and you panic. No, it is how market goes, right? It is how market will go like this, come down like this, go like this, come down like this, go like this, come. That is how it will go. You need to be patient enough to take that stance and trade. That is why I'm telling you, it is lots of learning is left. I just touched one day, 90 minutes, and it cannot cover everything. I can understand. Do not worry about it. It's just a start. It's just a beginning. It's just a beginning, right? It's a journey, and you will learn a lot throughout the journey. You'll learn a lot throughout the journey, and I'll be with you. Can't see the power zone. Sir, check if you entered your Google Trading View ID properly or not. Sir, in Bharat Forge, after breakout, there is a red candle. Why you take a trade? Because it took an entry here. I took an entry here because after the breakout, I'm getting a chance to take an entry. That is why I took an entry. We need to enter in discounted price, guys. Simple as that. Trading View ID, sir. Yes, please do find the Trading View ID. If you go to www.tradingview.com, www.tradingview.com, at the top right corner, if I click here, you will get this ID. You get this ID. See the_SG trader. This is my ID. Find out your ID. Okay. Check Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises. Okay, Adani Enterprises. Yes, Adani Enterprises is good. Can take an entry here. Like I said already earlier, stop loss is here, target is here. Can look for this trade, guys. Can look for this trade. Adani Enterprises is good trading opportunity as well. Hope you're enjoying the learning, what you're getting in the live market today. The live market, live learning. Live market, live learning. Understand what is this all about patience. Understand where I have placed the stop loss. Why I am waiting for the stop loss. Understand the things. Right? Bharat Forge, I taken an entry and waiting for it. Yes, sir. Wait for the stop loss, sir. Durjoy. Wait for the stop loss. We have a stop loss right here. Below the power zone, if it breaks completely with a red candle, then we will exit. That is how we have to trade. If you do not stick to the plan, you cannot trade, right? You need to stick to the plan and trade. Every trade, whenever you take, doesn't think it will just go positive. It will test your patience. It will come down to the levels. It will take an entry point there. Then it will go up. If it hits my stop loss, if it hits your stop loss, let's take the losses. But if it hits, then we will take. And that levels we will check in the equity levels. And I need a bearish red candle to exit. Bearish red candle. Not just a line. I need a candle, red candle. Only then I'm going to exit. So right now, be patient and wait and watch. So we'll see what is happening with Indigo and what will happen with Bharat Forge. We'll keep an eye on it. I will be back soon. I will be here in live markets soon again. Keep waiting, guys. A small short break for a few minutes and I'll be back live again. Hello guys, I'm back. Are you there? Put in the chat box yes, so that I know that yes, you are available and right here and right in front of me. Yes, great, great, great. Good to know. Good to know. So what is happening? Let's have a look at it. What is happening? So Indigo is one of our trades. So what is Indigo doing? What is Indigo doing? So let me remove all the drawings. Let it write it for you again. So we have taken an entry here. We've taken an entry here, entry here. We are looking for a target near here, 1150. So this is the target I'm looking for. So why Pavan, why this target? Because we look at the breakout of this trade 15-minute chart. If I go and see, if I draw a support and resistance line, I see a nice breakout here. Can you see here? So let me turn off this candle. Can you see here? Market was in the range. It was in the range. Finally given a breakout here. That is why I'm taking an entry. I'm looking for this target. Understood? So this is why I'm looking for this target. And positionally, this is not an intraday trade, it's a positional trade. So today itself the target can come, or tomorrow it can come, or day after tomorrow it can come. I'm expecting today. So what is my stop loss? This is my stop loss. This is my stop loss. So what is my target here? Or I can go with this stop loss as well. This is my stop loss. So 1:1 is to reward. I'm going for my targets. Okay. So that is first point. Second point, we took an entry in Bharat Fourth. So if I remove everything once again and re-explain you again, So this is a bullish candle breaking the power zone. That is why we taken an entry. Okay, it is clear. Then below the power zone, I am taking my stop loss and I'm following my equity levels. I'm following my equity levels. Option will vary because this is an expiry week. Other weeks are okay. This is an expiry week. Option premium will decay fast. So equity, you need to follow the equity for today. What happens usually is, see, it comes down and then it takes a support and goes up. And what is my reward I'm looking for? What is my reward I'm looking for? I'm taking a long trade here and I'm placing my stop loss here. I'll give a small buffer here like this. Then I look for a target here like this, 1:1, right? That is what I am looking for today. 1:1 target at least. So 705 levels at least as my target. So let me draw here as my target levels and see what happens later. Sir, what if my target won't come? No problem. We have to take a stop loss or we have to take a target. That is what is discipline all about. And we will trade, and this is happening live. I'm showing it live. Whatever happens is live. I am following a methodology. It may work today, it may not work today, but if you take 10 trades, out of 10 trades, 8 should win, we will win. That is the conviction I have and the belief I have in my system. So we'll wait and watch, and you will also witness it, whether it happens, whether it works or not. Let's see how it goes. So this is the first point. This is the second point. And other trades which are coming up, other trades which we discussed earlier. Nifty and Bank Nifty trades, we didn't take an entry. Why? Because I was waiting for this opportunity to get here. I didn't get it. I was waiting for an opportunity to get here. I didn't get it. But it doesn't mean that I should not trade. I can trade, but according to power zone, I am teaching you today. According to the power zone, there was no trade. But if I'm using other techniques, like example, I go here, and if I draw a trend line like this, if I draw a trend line like this, and there is a breakout here, I can take an entry and trade. But today I'm teaching you based on the power zone. So I'm sticking to my trade to the power zone. I can do some trading and show you make some profits. But my intention is to show you the right way of trading with power zone. Without power zone, that is why we should have all the astras, all the knowledge, all the techniques, so that any day how to use, how to trade the technique, we will know based on that kind of a day. Is it clear? So what we are trying here, we are waiting for this level. If it comes, we will trade. If it doesn't come, we will not trade. That's it. So Indigo trade is there, Bharat Force trade is there, other trades are there. Any other questions you have, put in the chat box, guys. I'm happy to help you, happy to answer your questions. So the trading timing was for the first 1 to 2 hours. I think we are almost nearing the second hour now. We are almost nearing the second hour now. So if market doesn't, if we are not able to close the trade before that, then we have to wait for the end of the day so that we can close. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see the charts. Yes, Airtel sir, please check. TCS, you can check. Okay, let me check TCS. Let me check TCS. Okay, TCS looks like this. Yes, TCS is good, sir. Here was an entry, here is a stop loss, here will be a target. Okay. ITC, okay, let me check ITC for you. So one of you is asking for ITC. Let me have a look at ITC. ITC is a breakdown, sir. Clear breakdown. We will go for a sell here, we'll place a stop loss here, we'll look for a target here. Okay, clear? IEX, somebody is asking IEX. Let me go with IEX. IEX, yes, there was an entry here. You can take an entry here, stop loss here, target here. I think target is also done already. Airtel, okay, somebody is asking Airtel. Let me check Airtel. Airtel is sideways, sir. You see, a lot of trading is happening in this power zone. So better to avoid. I don't want you to trade in a trade where it is going in a sideways. 1:1, can I modify it? Yes, you can modify it. But minimum 1:1 you should take. How to draw the line, sir? You can draw the line, you can draw the target using 1:1, sir. Choose a long position here and then draw. For taking a trade here, long position, see. What happened? Most of the people will panic here, right? Most of the people will panic. Sir, it's falling down, it's falling down, it's falling down, falling down. Yes, it is how market behaves. It will fall down, test the levels and go up. If it breaks down, then we will exit. Then we will exit, right? Why you want to change the plan in between? Stick to the plan. That is the confidence you should have in your methodology, and I have the confidence. If breaks my stop loss, I will take my stop loss. But without breaking, why I should take? Why I should take my stop loss? Arune Bharati 682. No, sir. Stop loss is below here, 678. Below 678. You can keep at 677 is the stop loss. Why 682.4 will be the stop loss, madam? Aruni Bhatta. That is not the stop loss. Right? I'm showing you the right way of doing it. If you panic and do not trade, see, most of the people I told you can take an entry again here, bullish candle. Again, you can take an entry here, stop loss again here, a target again here. That is what this market is all about. You should know how to trade it. You should know how to believe it. You should backtest it. Only then you will have the confidence. I have backtested it. That's why I have confidence. How to understand the target? Sir, I explained you previously. If you go here, there is a system called as long position. Click on long position where you buy. Click on stop loss point here. Then the risk to reward, choose 1:1, sir. 1:1 like this. That is your reward. Minimum 1:1 reward you should look for. 100-point risk, I need to look for 100-point reward. NTPC took an entry at 151.3, target 153.3. Yes, sir, correct. NTPC. Yes, you are right. You have taken an entry here, your target will come somewhere here, 153 around. Yes, you're right. Okay, so Indigo here, there you go, Indigo. It did a very good retracement. It did a very good time pass here. That is very good, so that we can expect a very good target, right? That is how market moves, right? That is how market moves. You need to try to catch me how I'm trying to think. You have to think the same way. I'm trying to train your eyes so that you can look beyond what you're trying to see. Is there any entry in the Nifty? Sir, buying at a high point is risky. That's what I'm saying. Buying at a high point is risky with the power zone. There is other technique. There are other techniques you can trade, but at the power zone, there is no trade here. See how I draw and how it is moving. Can you see here how I draw and how it is moving? Can you see it? Did I draw this earlier or not? Did the same thing is happening or not? Because it comes with an experience, it comes with the learning, it comes with the technical analysis, and you will also learn with it. And also show you that there we have one more tool which will automatically give you that. It will automatically give you an uptrend to enter. See, uptrend to enter. There is an uptrend here itself from day before itself. Beautiful entry, entry, and continue to be in the call trade until unless this blue line breaks out. The blue line is my trailing stop loss. Right? So this is a wonderful tool. Tomorrow I'm going to explain you once again. So do not miss tomorrow's session. I hope you're learning. See, Indigo, fresh high coming up right now. Fresh high is coming up right now. So new high coming up and we can make some gains. And Bharat Forge is still trying to squeeze. See, if I draw a triangle pattern like this, it's like a triangle pattern breakout. It's also called as a triangle pattern breakout. Can you see this formation in the form of a triangle? And if triangle pattern breaks out, then we have a wonderful move. So this and all you have to learn. It's coming up. More and more learning is always there. Can you see Indigo? Indigo. Did I tell you or not? Did I tell you or not? Did I mention you or not? This is how you have to trade. I am looking for this target. There is a breakout. This is everything is price action. Market will go up, take a rest and go up and take a rest and go up. You need to understand that. Did I tell or not? Indigo, who traded? Who is in profits? Ping me in the chat box. Ping in the chat box, guys. Let's see if somebody has made a profits now in Indigo. Interesting session. Okay, great. 1K profit, 2K profit, 2,300 profit, 1,800 profit, 900 profit, 4,300 profit. Okay, great. More than me. Bought future at 1,712. Wow. 10 points now. 2,500 profit. 1,000 negative, sir. No problem. It's just coming up. You can make profits. 800 profit, 1,800 profit. 20 rupees profit. No problem, sir. New high right now. Who is making profit right now? New high Indigo. Indigo making a new high. And definitely you should be in profit. 57 now. See, option premium is 57. We bought it at near 45, 50, 51. 3,300. We were lost. How, Abhishek? How is it possible? Indigo is at the new high. Indigo is new high. Bharat Forge is okay. Bharat Forge is okay. It is yet to come. I'm talking about Indigo right now. Indigo 2,300 profit. Great. 2,300 profit. Bharat Forge. Wait. Trade is just started. Market is just coming down and going up. You need to have this patience, guys. Bharat Forge minus 525. No problem. Indigo 2,300 profit. Great. That is how you need to trade. We cannot win all the matches. We cannot win all the trades, but we will win majority of the trades. Like I said, 10 trades I am taking. Minimum 8 trades I should win. That is how the accuracy of the system should be. Only then you will be able to make the money. If you do not have that accuracy, you cannot make the money. Like I said, in market to make money, if you just have 33.3% accuracy, you are at a break even. If you make just 50% accuracy, you can make hell lot of money. And I am going to give you a system. I am giving you a system. I am teaching you a system which is 80% accuracy. 80% accuracy. And I'm damn sure that you will end up with huge gains as well. That is what I am talking about. And do not expect market to move in just to one straight line. One straight line, things will not move. It is a price action. To explain you the price action, let me show you a chart. To explain you a price action, this is how the market moves, guys. This is how the market moves. Let me go a plain chart. See, this is how the market moves. How it moves, market is like this, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. That is how it goes. That is how the market goes. That is the path of a market going in an uptrend. So if I choose a path here, I can show you. Path, market goes up. Let me show you the path. It goes up and comes down a little bit. It goes up and comes down a little bit. It goes up and comes down a little bit. It goes up and comes down a little bit. This is called as uptrend. What is this called? Uptrend. This is how the market moves in the uptrend. This is how the market moves in the uptrend. And it starts making higher high and higher low. It starts making higher high and higher low. Higher high means what? Higher high means what? Higher than the previous high. This high is higher than the previous high. This high is higher than the previous high. 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 Lower than the previous low. Lower than the previous low. Lower than the previous low. This is called as price action. This is an advanced topic, but still I'm teaching you, still I'm telling you why, because you need to understand. Most of the people panic, emotionally driven. They do not know the technicals of it. They are emotionally driven. They just see profit and losses. Guys, if that is the way of doing money, then anybody could have made money, right? Following tips, anybody could make money, anybody could make money. I'm teaching you how to be independent, how to think like me, how to think like professional, how to know the price action, how to understand the methods, how to understand the pattern, see, this is the pattern. I can easily know this is a triangular pattern. So all this you're going to learn in upcoming sessions as well. So more learning to come. I am just giving you a small 90-minute session so far. Lots and lots of learning in your journey. I didn't receive trading tool access. Neha, please enter your trading view ID in the Google form sent to you yesterday so that you will get the access to the tool. 2,275 profit, 685 profit. Bharat Forge, I am negative by 1,000, no problem. Bharat Forge is yet to come. We are in the trade. Indigo 2,300 profit. Okay, great, no problem. Yesterday I was absent, no problem. Yesterday, if you're absent, the link to watch the video has already been sent to your WhatsApp number. Please click on the link and watch the video completely. Sorry, I joined late. I joined just now. No problem. Later, this video also will be shared to you. Watch it. What is happening with the Bharat Forge, guys? What is happening with Bharat Forge now? I'm trying to give you the views. I'm trying to show you the way. I'm trying to tell you that this is how it goes. And it will test your patience. Pavan sir, again show how to put 1:1 using short and long position. Okay, the last time I'm trying to show you guys, I'm removing all the drawings once again here. See here, I'm trying to show, please do concentrate and note down. Many of you are asking again and again, sir, how to finalize the target? How to find the target? How to know 1:1? Simple, guys. This is the candle where I got an entry. Why? It's a bullish candle. Breaking my power zone. That is why I'm taking an entry. Right? So next candle I take an entry. Which is that candle? This candle. I take an entry here. Now, what is my stop loss? I always said to you the stop loss is below the power zone. Below the power zone. This is my stop loss. This is my stop loss. Done. Is everybody clear with it now? Entry point and the stop loss point. Now I need to identify the target. What I will do? Go to the left point, see long position. Long position. Click on long position. Click on where I am buying here. Drag this line, stop loss line, drag this line to the low of the power zone. I dragged it to the low of the power zone. Then the green line above, drag it to the 1:1. When it shows 1:1 in your charts, here it is showing, see, risk to reward 1:1. That is where I draw the line. And I mark this as a target. I hope it is clear, guys, now. I hope it is clear. Please make sure you practice this. Please make sure you practice this. Another way of doing is, I am buying here at 691. Okay, let's go calculator. Let's open calculator. Let's open the calculator. Where I am buying? I'm buying 692, example 693. Let's take example 693, 694. Stop loss is here 677 minus 677. 16 points is my risk. So I have to have a 16-point reward. From where? Here. So 693 plus 16 points. How much? 709, 703. That should be your reward. That is what I have marked here. So that is how you should trade. That is how you should calculate risk to reward and trade. Clear? I hope it is clear. Yes, clear. Yes, clear. Okay, great. Great to know. So this is Indigo and this is Nifty and Bank Nifty is for you. Index, we didn't take a trade because it didn't come to the power zone. No problem. If it comes, we would have traded. Bharat Forge is heading up. And this is a 15-minute chart will look like this. 5-minute chart will look like this. So, okay, hope it is clear. Other trades, if you're doing today, any other trades, if you're done today, if I show you any other trade, Concord, there was a trade and wonderful trades are done. Ashok Leyland noted HAL. I told you HAL, the target is done and dusted. You can see it here live. The target is done here. See, I've drawn it here, the target. Morning. Unfortunately, we didn't trade this. But I don't know how many of you traded. Okay, yeah, you traded. Okay, one of the person mentioning I traded. Okay, great. So if you traded, you would have made money now. The target is done, right? This is the risk I am going to take. This is the reward I am looking and target is done. SR Tran, there was a good trade in SR Tran as well. I avoided because of a long wick, but it went up very well. It's a good one. Indigo, we have taken a trade and we are in gains. Indigo, we have taken a trade and we are in gains. Pidilite Industries, no trade. M&M, no trade. India Mart, no trade because power zone is here. Power zone is here, the stock is here, so no trade, right? MFSL, no trade. LT, no trade. GNFC, yes, GNFC, I think a trade was there here. Beautiful green candle. Taken entry here, target here, done and dusted. See the accuracy, guys. See the accuracy of the trading. See the accuracy of the trading. See the accuracy of the tool, the software. Any day you go back and check. Any day you go back and check. Out of 10 trades, 8 should work. Here and there, one of the person was asking earlier, sir, UBL. Yes, I told you, you can buy here. You can have a stop loss here or here. The targets are coming right now. APL Limited was a wonderful trade. Whoever traded today, entry point and boom. This is what I am trying to show you today in live markets, in live trading session. Yes, of course, I can't be there in a complete session, but I try to show you the best way of doing it. The way of doing it in style, the way of doing it properly, the way of executing it properly. 600 rupees profit. Bharat 4, I average at 680 and average now at 698. Great. Ruchi, so yeah, 700 rupees profit in Bharat 4, Indigo and minus 50 in Bharat 4. Sir, see, this is how you trade. Even I bought it again in the Bharat Forge. Even I bought it again in the Bharat Forge at this point. Even I bought it Bharat Forge at this point because I know that my expectation is it to go up. Let's see. Adani Enterprises, please check. Okay, Adani Enterprises, let me check. Adani Enterprises, let me check Adani Enterprises. So yes, it is at the support. I think it becomes sideways. It becomes sideways here if you are taken a trade. How is it, guys? How is it? Are you learning something? Did you learn something today? Are you learning? What are you feeling? How's the tool? Are you using the tool? What are your initial views about this? Are great learning? Yes, sir. I'm learning a lot. Okay, great. So superb, sir. It's a nice session, sir. Great learning, sir. Yes, it's a great tool. Congratulations. Superb, sir. Yes, candlesticks follows the power. So nice on Jadu. Hey, great, sir. Great to know. Nice learning. Great teacher, good, superb, sir. Nice tool, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, nice session. Thank you much. I am happy. Okay, great. Interesting stuff. Great learning, great learning. The tool is for lifetime. No, sir. The tool will have access till tomorrow. Total new views towards trading. Great, great, great to know. Really learned a lot. How to wait. Yes, this is what I'm trying to show you today. This is all about patience. Good technique to trade. Shall I sell below power zone? Yes, you can sell below the power zone if it breaks. Any subscription, please do join tomorrow's session. I'm going to explain you with lot many tools, software, methodologies, mentoring, lot many things are coming up. Very interesting learning. Zoom Rata. Okay, great. Really wonderful. Great. So most of you have made a little bit of money or learning at least 300, 500 profits, 500 profit, 500 loss. It's okay. Profit and loss is what is part of a trading. But have you learned something today? Is it worth of what you have paid? I don't know how much you have paid. Maybe you are paid up 99, 199, whatever it is. But today you are learning something from it. I am giving you a value for that learning. Yes, you cannot match it with the money you have paid because I want to give my best learning for you. Right? Why there is a minimal charges is done? Why there is a nominal fee is kept? Because I want to do it. I want to help it. I want to show it. I want to teach the people who are hungry, who are ready to learn. I don't want to teach the people who just come and go. You have to be very patient enough. You have to have the passion. You need to do a little bit of hard work. Only those people, you need to feel responsible. You have paid a 99 or 199 or 299, whatever the cost, and you are responsible and you are giving your time. It is my responsibility that for the time you are given to me, I give my best value to you. And I will do it myself. Like I always said, 200% efforts my side and my team said will always be there. We will support you, guide you, mentor you. If you have any trouble, reach out to our WhatsApp number, ping whatever you want to ask, get your things done. If you do not have access, get it done. If you do not get to know how to add the tool, get it done. You have every right to get an opportunity if you are part of current webinar. If you're part of current webinars, ping us on the WhatsApp number. We are getting all the links. Get the help you need, and then you learn from it. Ping in the chat box, ping in the Q&A, get the answer for it so that you learn everything. The 4-day webinar is for you. Never seen any session like this. Thank you. Fantastic, sir. Any special class for option trading? Yes, definitely. We have lots and lots of more learning. Tomorrow's session, you join us tomorrow's session. I'm going to talk about more tools, softwares, techniques, case studies, methodologies, myths, and many more. I'm going to show you a live demonstration tomorrow of all these aspects. So tomorrow's session is around 7:30 p.m. Do not miss. Sir, can I hold Bharat Forge for tomorrow? No, sir. This is an intraday trade. Today we will exit, sir. Today we'll exit with a profit or loss. Today we'll exit. Indigo we can hold because this is a positional trade. Sir, can I have TTM Power software access for later also? Yes, you can have. Join us tomorrow to know about that. Join us tomorrow to know about that. Super profit, sir, 1,912. Govardhan, thank you very much. Great to know that you are in profit. I want to see everybody making profit, everybody make profit, and want to show you that yes, it is possible. Even I can trade, even I can make money. All I need is patience. All I need is learning. All I need is a wonderful edge, trading plan, trading discipline, and trading edge. You need to have a plan. I am following the plan. You need to have an edge. Yes, I have an edge. Power zone. You need to be disciplined. Yes, I am disciplined. And then nobody can stop you. Yes, one day you can fail, but not every day. One day Virat Kohli can also hit a duck. 2 days can hit duck. But every day is not like that. Form is temporary, class is permanent. He will come back. We will come back. You will come back. Don't give up ever. 1 or 2 trade loss and you give up everything. Jump from one strategy to another. That is not the way of doing it. That is not the way of doing it. You test it out 100 times. Then you tell it, no, it is not working. Then you realize you never are ready to go beyond your comfort zone. Never ready to take that advantage. No, sir, I do not have money. Who says you need money to trade? Go create a virtual account in neostock.com. Try virtual trading, make profit and come out. Once you have the money, then you trade with real money. Until then, learn. Nobody says to learn you need money. You need only the interest. You need only the passion. Is Bharat Forge going up? Yes, of course. Is Indigo going up? Yes, of course. Did you panic in between? Yes, that happens to every individual. That happens to everyone. That is why I'm here. I'm telling you in the live markets. Nobody gonna tell you this. Nobody gonna handhold you this. They just give a trade, sir, profit come plus. And no, that is not the way of learning. That is not the way to follow a tip. Learn everything. You be the master of yourself. You be the master of yourself. Sorry about a lot of gyan, but this is required. I talk about a lot of psychology. Apart from my training, apart from my technique, apart from the tool, apart from the methodology, apart from the technical analysis, I also talk about a lot of psychology, because most of the people lack there. The point is there. In spite of giving you a wonderful tool, in spite of giving you wonderful knowledge, if you do not know how to control your emotions, how to be disciplined, you do not have a mentor to guide you. Anybody can be a mentor. Your friend can be a mentor. Somebody elder than you can be a mentor. Your friend, your father, your mother, your husband or wife, anybody can be a mentor. Even I can be a mentor. Are you ready to learn? That is the matter. If you're ready to learn, then it matters. So yesterday given you a link how to open a TradingView account in 1 minute. If you do not open a TradingView account till now, and I'll share you a YouTube link. YouTube link in the chat box, guys. Go to the YouTube links. I have lot and lots of learning videos. A lot of learning videos. Click on the link below. Click on the link below which I shared here. Subscribe to the channel. That is for the knowledge I'm sharing. The knowledge we are putting in the YouTube channel, you can go and learn risk management, how to control emotions, what are the parameters are required, how do I control the trading, what are the myths in the market, what is trading account, what is demat account, all the knowledge I'm trying to give it. You can just follow. There's a lot of information nowadays available in internet, Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, everywhere. You can even follow our Telegram channel. So you should focus should be on the learning. Hit a bell icon, hit a subscribe icon so that you know that. Open the YouTube channel. See, just I'm opening the YouTube channel here. Hit a like icon, guys. So that you get everything, whatever I'm posting, how to use the tool, how to use the software, how to plan your risk to reward. A wonderful, see, you have wonderful things here. Just subscribe to the channel so that you'll understand, yes, I need to learn. Lot of videos are available on market psychology, on market participants, on market myths, growth versus stocks, stock market for beginners. A lot of learning is available. Go, click it and subscribe. Also share to your friends and family. This is only for your knowledge. And nobody can take you once you learn the knowledge. Once you learn the skill, it will always be with you. Nobody can take it from you. So today's session is for 2 hours. I think we almost completed 2 hours. Most of you are in mixed profit and losses. We will see what happens in the later point of time and we'll send an update as well. Tomorrow also in the session, we will see what happens as well. Right now, Indigo trade, we are in profit, and the Bharat Forge trade, we are at the sideways. We have not made the profit, nor we have made the losses because it made a low and it has come back and expecting to go up. Let's see what happens. Where should be my stop loss, sir? Your stop loss should be here. As explained previously, your stop loss should be here. If one candle, red candle like this breaks down the power zone, only then we will exit, else we will hold. Sir, when we will exit Indigo? We will exit the Indigo when we are touching 1748 levels, 1745 levels. Then you can look to book the profits. Sir, what is happening with Bharat Forge? We are making new highs. It is going up. It is heading. If I give a small analogy, if you throw a ball from top, it will fall down, 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 and then it starts a new journey. The ball will bounce, and slowly it will stop the journey, and then the new journey stops. That is how trading psychology works. I'm trying to give you these hints, guys. These are called as nuggets. And every nugget will help you. Every idea is going to help you because this is about learning, and that too in the live markets. I'm not showing just end of the day charts for you. This is what has happened in the past. This has happened. I am showing and talking to you in live markets. And that needs some confidence in your tool, in your system, in your methodology. Has the previous day not worked for Bharat Forge? Has the previous day not worked for Bharat Forge? Has it not worked previously for Bharat Forge? I go back here, see, has it not worked previously? Beautiful power zone, beautiful candle above the power zone. See here, beautiful candle above the power zone, and boom, Bharat Forge. Again, I go one day before, beautiful candle above the power zone here, and boom,
Again, I go one day before. Beautiful candle above the power zone here, here, and boom. Can you see it? Out of the 10 trades I showed you, am I not profitable? Am I not profitable? If I go behind again one more day, beautiful red candle breaking down here. Red candle breaking down, and I go for short. How many trades did I show you? Did we win it or not? That is why I have the confidence. That is why I'm with confidence. I'm telling you. Tell me any date. Tell me any stock. I'm gonna show you. See 10 trades. See 10 trades and tell to me. See 10 trades. Don't judge by one trade. Don't judge by one trade. See 10 trades. What has happened? 10 trades. Every attempt cannot be a 6. Every attempt cannot be a 4. You could start hitting 1s and 2s and 4s in between. That is how you build an innings. That is what trading is all about. Hope there is learning. So what did I draw for Nifty today? What did I draw for Nifty and how it is going? Don't you think if I take a trade here, I would have made a profit here? Definitely. But my intention is I'm showing you how to trade with power zone. And I'm sticking to that discipline. If I just take a trade here and you will also become like, sir, power zone is here, but you take a trade here. That is why I didn't take a trade. But other methodologies are there to take a trade. Like I showed you other tools, indicators, other tool. It will showed me that I have to buy. It will showed me yesterday itself that I have to buy. It is in uptrend. I will be in the trade. But today I'm trying to show you the power zone. With the power zone, there was no trade. I am being honest here. I am doing what my system says. I am believing my system and trading my system. If there is no opportunity, yes, there is no opportunity. If there is an opportunity, yes, there is an opportunity. Clear, guys? First time I have come across such empathetics. Great to know, sir. Thank you very much. Bharat Forge 900 rupees profit. See, this is what makes you profitable. Taken a risk and made 5,000 profit. Great. Now put in the chat box how many of you are making profit. New high again in Indigo. New high coming up in Bharat Forge as well. Now at least you should be making profit. This is what I'm trying to say, guys. With the patience, money automatically comes. Money automatically comes with patience. If you do not have patience, if you do not have the methodology, if you do not stick to the process, if you do not stick, you jump around from one strategy to another. You jump from one trade to another. Am I in profit or not? Am I in a profit or not? Can I show you? Am I in profit or not? I am in profit. 1,137 profit right in front of you. Right in front of you, I am in profit. How is it possible? Simple trading methodologies. Everything showed you in live today. Indigo traded, also I showed you in live. Bharat Forge also traded. One entry taken here. One entry taken here. Another entry taken here. Entry 2. This is entry 2. Another entry taken here. One entry taken here. Another time it given an opportunity here. So I've taken an entry 2. Most of the people also took a second entry. Some of the people panicked here. I told you, do not panic, guys. Follow the methodology, follow the system. It will give you money. Yes, if it's stop loss, it's okay. Let it hit stop loss. Let us take stop loss that day. Am I in profit or not? 1,900 profit right in front of you. 2,000 rupees profit right in front of you. So this is what matters. This is what is skill. This is what is knowledge. This is what is the conviction about the software. This is what is the methodology. When I stick with the methodology, when I trade the methodology, when I follow a systematic approach, then who can stop you from growing? Nobody can stop you. No one can stop you, guys, if you follow this. 1,000 rupees a day, 30,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees per month. Nobody can give you. Extra 20,000 will help you, kids. Will help you for the future, will help you for the retirement, it will help you for the EMI. You take a new car, you can pay, you can rental, anything. A simple electricity bill can you pay from a trading? That itself is a big win. Something extra from your salary. And I am here to teach you that. Are you there with me? Am I in green? Am I in red or am I in green? Was I in red? Yes. But am I in green right now? Yes. Why? Because I stick to the system. I believe in my system. I believe in my technicals. And you also believe today, yes, it is possible. Have you made profit? Now put in the chat box. 2,500 profit in Nifty, 900 profit, sir. 500 profit, sir. 500 profit, 2,200 profit, 1,500 profit, 4,000 profit. 700 profit, 1,700 profit, 2,500 profit. Wonder, sir. 2,200 profit, 570 profit, 400 profit, 4,600 profit, 456 profit, 570 profit, 375 rupees profit, 2,600 rupees profit, 3,000 rupees profit, 47 rupees profit, 500 rupees profit. Guys, this is you, your profits. You have made it. You have achieved it today. Congratulations. You have done it with your knowledge, your hard work, your time. I am just a mentor to guide you. That's it. But you have done it today, and I want you to do it daily. Earn it like an income, earn it like a salary. And yes, guys, it is possible. If you follow the system, you follow the methodology, yes, it is possible. 200 rupees profit, 500, 1,500 rupees profit, 7,250 profit, Nilesh. See, you average the trade here at exactly at the power zone, you made a great gains. 7,250 profit, even I am not made, sir, right now, because I'm showing a small quantity. 52,500 rupees profit, Vikas. Vikas, please share the screenshot. I want to show to the people. 52,500 rupees profit. Please share screenshot to the WhatsApp number. I want to show to the people, yes, it is possible. Even you can make profit. Virtual money I have made, sir. Okay, great. 100 rupees profit in Bharat Forge, 800 rupees Bharat in Indigo. Sir, running negative in Bharat Forge, no problem. No problem. We are following the setup. We are following the methodology. You will have the profit. Am I in profit Indigo? Am I in profit Indigo? What is my target I am looking for? What is the target I am looking for? Why the target? 1:1. Risk to reward. Are you enjoying, guys? Are you enjoying the learning in live markets? I have extended my time. I've extended my time. It's more than 2 hours right now. We are in green. We are in green. We are in green. And we have made the gains. Most of you have made the gains. How much you paid for a webinar? Probably 99, 199. How much you earned today? The knowledge, the wealth, and the experience of trading live with me. So I'm not a trader overcome in one day. I have an experience of past 12 years, guys. That is why I'm standing here right now. Similarly, day by day, you will also evolve. You will also become a wonderful trader, a better trader. This is an evolution. The day has started. The journey has just begun. The journey has just begun. Will you be part of my journey? Will you be with me? Will you stay with me? Yes, and definitely it is possible. We will make it together and reach a greater heights and make sure that everybody will make money. Everybody, anybody can make money. Even who doesn't know anything about market, who doesn't know, he stays in a taluk or a village, should be able to make profit with this knowledge. I am going to reach every person. That is my mission. We are on a mission to reach that. Every village, every person, every family, and give this knowledge to them. And you be part of this journey. Help the people to learn more. Let them give the confidence. Let them also earn. Anybody and everybody earn, help them to earn. It's no problem in helping others. You also go and help others. Make them show that it is possible. With the knowledge, with methodology, you can do it. So with this, I showed a lot of trades already, lot of methodology, psychology, and Indigo is nearing highs now. So I hope you had a great learning. I'm closing session in a while now because we had a great day, great profits right now. We have made a profit. My intention was to show you that everybody can make profit. My intention was to show you that yes, it is possible. How many trades did we take? 2-3 trades. Is it profitable? Yes. Is it in Bharat Forge on the first attempt we bought here? The person who didn't buy here, is it near the cost? Yes, it's near the cost. It will come back later. We will book the profit that time. Is Indigo going in the right way where we are looking for? Yes, it is going. Is Nifty is going as per my expectation? Yes, it is going. This is what I was expected. Did it happen? Yes, it happened. Is Bank Nifty, did it happen? Did it happen? Yes, it happened. Above the power zone, market is positive. I could have traded here and showed you, made profit. I could have traded in 100 quantity, 1000 quantity and showed you big gains today. But my intention is to show you that every person who having a smaller account size, just 10,000 in his account, 15,000 in his account, 5,000 in his account, 25,000 in his accounts can still make money. Is Bharat Forge giving you the money? Is Bharat Forge going high? Is Bharat Forge hitting the new highs? Are we in the profit? 2,200 rupees profit. 2,000 rupees profit a day will give you 45,000 per month. Nobody will give you this. 2,700 rupees profit right now. 2,700 rupees profit now. 2,800 rupees profit right now. So I want to ask you, now tell me in the answer, is it possible for you to do it? Is it possible with this knowledge? Don't you think it is possible? And want to make sure that yes, it is possible. 3,000 rupees gains right away, right front of you. I showed you with a smaller money investment. I didn't show you with a huge investment. But I had patience, I had confidence, I had my belief in the system. See Bharat Forge now. Where it is the Bharat Forge? Where is Indigo? But did you had this patience earlier? Most of the people were panicking. I told you guys, do not panic. See what is happening. 4,000 rupees gains right in front of your eyes. 4,300 rupees profit. 4,300 rupees profit in front of you. 4,600 profit, 4,300 profit. If you are in good profit, you can book great gains here. Right now, you can book great gains here if you are in profit. If you want more profit, you can hold. But this is a good opportunity to do an exit to lock your gains. It's a good opportunity to exit and make some profits in the markets. It is giving you a profit. It is giving you a profit. You can book the profits, guys. How is trading? How is trading with me? How has this made it possible for you? Bharat Forge, how much profit, guys? Put in the chat box now. Let's see who is in loss still. I don't think so. Patience is the key, sir. Profit, 1,800 profit, 400 profit, 1,900 profit, 2,500 profit, good learning, great experience. I'm still holding, great. So this was a wonderful opportunity to do a first profit booking, because this is when the selling pressure had come previously. This is when the selling pressure had come previously. So this was a wonderful opportunity at the first level to book the profits. Who are bought here at the power zone and minted here by now. I'm trying to show you. This is what I'm trying to prove you. This is what I'm trying to make you believe. What? Yes, it is possible. So with this thought, I told you stop loss have to be followed based on the equity levels. Do not follow on the options. Do not follow on the options, because options decays. This is an expiry week, guys. This is more learning for you. This is what I'm showing in right front of you. And I showed you in the live market as well. Guys, change it, hold it when it breaks. We need to sell only when this breaks, else we will hold. This is how it goes. I hope you are learning. Whether you made profit or loss, you have learned today. What I'm trying to show you is the learning today. 12,000 profits, great, Shifali. 500 profit, 600 profit, 600 profit, 800, 50 loss, no problem, sir. You might have made some mistake, or you do not have patience, or you didn't hold it. Sir, we have to trade with this month, next month expiry. Yes, you have to trade this month till this month Thursday. After Wednesday, you have to trade next month. Till Wednesday, you can trade. So hope with this today's session, you had a great session, great learning, great money, great profits, great earning, and you have made a great learning as well. Targets also are marked. Let's see what happens. Full day is still available. Let's see where it goes, and later I'll have an update for you as well. But right now, thanks for joining for the wonderful session today. Put in the chat box, did you learn something? Did you learn something today? What is in it for you for tomorrow? What is in it for is tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we have case studies, live learning, more tools, more softwares, more methodologies. And I am coming to you again tomorrow with more knowledge and to make you prove that yes, you can also be a winner. Today, most of you have realized it, that you are a winner. Also, today's session recording also will be sent to everybody. Please go through the recording and understand more. Also, tomorrow's recording will not be given. Tomorrow's session has to be attended live. It is very important. Tomorrow's session, do not miss, guys. Tomorrow's recording will not be shared. Only today's recording will be shared. Today's recording will be shared. Tomorrow's recording will not be shared. Please do join tomorrow. Will you be joining tomorrow with me? Put in the chat box your comments, your feedback, how the session was. Did you learn something? Am I being honest? Did I teach you properly? Are you in profit or loss? Are you learning something? Let's see your views in the chat box. Yes, sir, definitely I'm coming to come tomorrow. Great session, great session. I will be learning, joining. Thank you, sir. Great session. I'll attend tomorrow. Super excited. 2,500% profit, 100%. We are coming. Mind-blowing session, sir. We'll join. Super excited. Plus 3,000 profit. Surely we'll attend. Great session tomorrow. I will attend tomorrow. Join tomorrow. What is the feedback, guys? How was the session? Did you like it? Wonderful session. Will recommend your workshop to a please. Definitely, sir. I think 199 or 99 definitely worth to open some eyes. Must session, wow session, very useful session, profitable session, awesome session. Be a winner tomorrow. Yes, definitely. Be a winner tomorrow. Please do come. Awesome session. I'll teach you about more learning, more software, more tools. Full proof system I have given to you. How to make a system. I just not given a tool. I also told you how the tool will come, how to draw the lines, when to take an entry, when to place a stop loss, what option to buy, when to buy a call option, when to buy a put option, how to shortlist your trades. Everything I have shown you perfectly. So I have done my 200% efforts. Hope you are learning. Need more sessions like this. Definitely you will have more sessions. Nice hand holding. Yes, this is what I am here for. I will hand hold you and make sure. And guys, believe me, this is just the start. This is just the beginning. We will have more and more, lots and lots of learning sessions coming up, lots and lot of journey coming up. Only situation is come back tomorrow with live and fresh mind. Let's see more learning, more knowledge, and let's take this journey to the next level. Thank you for joining today's session. Thank you for sparing your time. See you tomorrow. See you. Tada. Bye bye. Pavan Joshi signing off here.